All right, everyone, March 22nd, 2013, it's all over. Barack Obama departs Israel due to a freak, was it a storm or a plague of locusts? I believe it was a sandstorm. No peace treaty this time. Historic visit comes to a close. Obama departs Israel. I want to thank a precious viewer of mine, Allison, that sends me this. It comes from the Jerusalem Post. Ceremony nixed due to sandstorm. President visits Yad Vashem, says due to Israel's existence, the Holocaust will never happen again. There he is, laying a wreath upon the grave here. With the red carpet rolled out behind him, U.S. President Barack Obama boarded Air Force One and departed Israel, and his three-day visit to Israel and the West Bank came to a close, and no peace treaty for 7 years. Prior to his flight, Obama held a final lunch meeting with Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and President Simon Peres in a trailer set up on the tarmac at Ben Gurion Airport. The last stop on Obama's tour of Israel and the West Bank was the Church of the Nativity in Bethlehem, where Christians believe that Jesus was born. Obama's visit to the site is seen as a message of solidarity to dwindling Christian communities in the turbulent region. Due to strong winds and sandstorms, I wonder if they were locust storms, Obama changed his plans to fly to Bethlehem in a helicopter, opting instead to travel in a convoy of cars. Highway 1 between Jerusalem was blocked between the hours of 1330 and 1600. And let's watch the video here.
A sandstorm sweeping through the region has forced security and organizers to cancel the farewell ceremony for President Barack Obama as he departs from Israel to Jordan. While President Obama was on his way to visit the Church of Nativity in Bethlehem a few hours ahead of his scheduled farewell ceremony, reporters at Ben Gurion Airport were stuck waiting in Terminal 1 until they were told they would not be able to cover the ceremony.
שבגלל מזג האוויר ובגלל סיבות ביטחוניות אנחנו רוצים לעשות את זה מתכונת מצומצמת, לכן הטקס יהיה טקס קטן, מצומצם, מינורי, לא עם כל סגל א' אלא מספר מאוד מצומצם שילוו את הנשיא לתוך המטוס ל-Air Force One.
The government press office still plans to live stream footage of the reduced symbolic goodbye to the president for television and online media.
All right, everyone, there you have it. The president has left. He has left Israel early, a little bit ahead of schedule. Due to, you've seen the high winds and this freak sandstorm, and there has been no peace agreement, no peace treaty signed. And join us tonight, 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, over at Tiny Chat. We're going to have a live program, live show tonight, 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. tinychat.com/Pastor Dave. I'll put the link to this article below. Leave me comments, everyone. Bookmark my site.